I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family.
Today I'm going to show you how to enjoy your nectarine or peaches for longer period of time.
We have a ton of nectarines here. Today, 0 are ready because they're all hard and unripe. Tomorrow, maybe they'll all be ripe and we won't be able to consume all of them. So we're going to show you how to choose nectarines so that you can enjoy them without them going bad. Unlike apples and pears, nectarines don't improve their sugar content once they're picked, so don't pick them too early. But if you wait too late, the birds or pests will get them first. So I look for the first sign of ripeness to make the trade-off. If you have a melting variety of nectarines, they will be ripe when they're soft. This is the suture line. The line travels from the stem end to the blossom end. You can pick the fruit when the suture line feels soft, even if the fruit itself is still firm. Keep in mind that lower temperatures contribute to slower ripening. This becomes apparent when you take the fruit inside your house. You may move them to the refrigerator to extend their shelf life. Be aware that if you move them too early, the fruit may not taste the best. However, when you have too many fruits, like we do, you have little choice. We also make dried fruit. To do this, cut the nectarine along the suture line. Continue cutting into thinner slices. Then, you can place the pieces into a dehydrator or a fruit drying machine. As you can see here, after many hours, the fruit is now dry. For plums, you can cut along the suture line and then twist the plum to tear into 2 halves. Then, you can pick the pit out and cut the plum into thinner slices. If you don't have a machine, you can use natural sunlight to dry the plums. Of course, you can freeze your already cut nectarines in the freezer and use them later to make smoothies.
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.